Gina with your Note of the Week. This week's note is pretty exciting. I'm going to teach you how to access the entire library of Note of the Week videos. Now, if you use Chrome, open your Chrome browser, and on the very top line, just type www.cksystem.com. And once you get to the website, you may even want to bookmark it. Just click on these little dots over here, go to Bookmarks, and bookmark this page, and just type Note of the Week. Now, if you're an IE user or an Edge user, you'll browse to the website with the same address, www.cksystem.com, but this time, in order to make it a favorite, you'll just click on this little star here to the right of the address bar, and then you can just type Note of the Week. Easy enough. Now, to access the website using your bookmark, you'll browse out to your browser, your Chrome browser, use your little dots here, go Bookmarks, and choose Note of the Week. Now in Edge or IE, you'll launch IE, you'll go to your star drop down and just scroll, mine's on the bottom here, and just scroll to Note of the Week. Once you're at the C&K website, click on POS software, and you'll get a drop down. Maybe, maybe not. Go to the NCR Counterpoint training button, scroll down, and here where it says NCR Counterpoint Tutorials and Library, just click on the button that says check out the tutorial library. You'll scroll down again, and you'll notice there's 3 tabs here. There's version 8.4, version 8.5.2, version 8.5.3, and the Quick Notes edition. So there's videos under all of these tabs. Most of the videos are here under Quick Notes. Now between the 3 tabs you might see some duplication because I did create duplicate videos for both versions. No matter which version of Counterpoint you're using, feel free to access a tutorial from any one of these 3 tabs. Even though your version may look different than the video, the process is still exactly the same. The path is exactly the same. It's just the look and feel is different. That's your Note of the Week. Enjoy the videos and talk to you again next week. Thanks for joining me for this session of Note of the Week. Hope to see you again soon. We would love to hear from you. If you would like to submit a question for Note of the Week, email training@cksystem.com and on the subject line, type Note of the Week. If you would like to schedule training time or request a free training catalog, call me at 888-476-7911, extension 3. Talk to you next week. Bye.